Daddy was playing with Jim and me, but he never came home for evening tea. Oh, what a shame that my dad is gone, but Mama says he's not the only one. But I never understood what Uncle Jim was doing with a rifle in his hand. No, I never understood what Uncle Jim and Mom, they was fighting all the time. Auntie was lonely when Jimmy had gone, but she says he's not the only one. Oh, what a shame that my dad is gone, 'cause he and Auntie had lots of fun.